Hello friends, welcome to Learn Russian Hindi.
Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! In previous video we have learned possessive pronouns. What were that? Moi, maya, mayo, mai, twai, twaya, twayo, twai, nash, nasha, nashe, nashi, wash, washa, washe, washi. All declines as per the number and gender. So all possessive pronouns answer the question chei. Possessive pronouns answer the question chei. Chei, what is chei? Chei is a interrogative pronoun. Poprosi chelnae mestai menie. And what does it mean? It means whose. So if we have to ask whose book is this, whose dictionary is this, so we use chei. Chei eta slavar. Slavar is masculine gender. Though it is a soft sign, but it is a masculine gender. So chei eta slavar. Answer will be eta moi slavar, eta tvoi slavar, eta nash slavar, eta vash slavar, eta ivo slavar. This is my dictionary, this is your dictionary, this is our dictionary, this is your dictionary, this is his dictionary. So for ti we use tvoi, for we use vash. For ti we use for informal conversation or for younger than you. Person younger than you, and we use for formal conversation or person whose you respects. For feminine gender, kniga is feminine, so chai becomes cha. Cha eta kniga, whose book is this? Eta maya kniga, eta tvaya kniga, eta nasha kniga, eta vasha kniga. This is my book, this is your book, this is our book, this is your book. And also eta ivo kniga, this is her book. Similarly, eta maya ruchka, eta tvaya ruchka, all for all feminine gender, chai becomes cha. Cha eta kniga. So coming to neuter, for neuter gender it becomes cheo. Cheo eta pismo. Whose letter is this? Eta mayo pismo, eta tvayo pismo, eta nashe pismo, eta vashe pismo. This is my letter, this is your letter, this is our letter, this is your letter. And for plural, it becomes chi. Chi eta tetradi. Whose copybooks are these? Eta mai tetradi, eta tvai tetradi, eta nashi tetradi, eta vashi tetradi, eta ich tetradi. These are my copybooks, these are your copybooks, these are our copybooks, these are my copybooks. Oh, it is mistake here. It should be these are your copybooks and these are their copybooks. So if you have any doubt in possessive pronouns, please watch previous video number 11. Now coming to the next. How we ask a time? What is the time? So for that a construction is there. Katori chas. Katori chas. Katori means which. Chas means hour. So literally it means which hour. And we translate in English, what is the time? So answer will be sichas chas. Sichas chas. Sichas means now. Sichas means now. It is hidden. So we do not need to say sichas every time. If we say only chas, that will be it's 1 o'clock. So if someone asks katori chas, we will answer chas. It's 1 o'clock. For 1 o'clock we answer chas. For 2, 3 and 4 o'clock it will become chissa. Though it is written cha a s a, spelling will be cha a s a, but it is pronounced chissa. Chissa. So it will become dwa chissa, means it's 2 o'clock. 3 chissa, it's 3 o'clock. Chetiri chissa, it's 4 o'clock. Up to 4 it will become chissa. For 2 to 4 it will become chissa. And for 5 to 12 it will become chissof. Chissof. Though it is written chassof, but pronunciation is चिसोफ. So प्याज शेष सेम वोसिम जेविद जेसित अजिनाथ सत द्विनाथ सत चिसोफ. It's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, up to it's 12 o'clock. So once again, for 1 o'clock, chas. For 2, 3, 4, chisa. For 5 to 12, chisof. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment section. So that was the what is the time. If we have to ask when, so for that the word is kagda. Kagda. Stress is on a. Kagda. Answer will be vachas. Vachas. Va means at. It is a preposition. So vachas. Vachas. In Russian, if any preposition is there, we used to merge with the word. So it will become vchas. Vchas. At 1 o'clock. Similarly, for 2, 3, 4, chas will become chisa. For 5 to 12, it will become chisof. 2 chisa at 2 o'clock. 3 chisa at 3 o'clock. 3 chisa at 4 o'clock. Pyat chisof at 5 o'clock. Shesh chisof at 6 o'clock. See, I am merging the preposition verb with the next word. Pyat chisof. Shesh chisof. Shem chisof. Vosim chisof. Vajevit chisof. Vajesit chisof. Vadinath sat chisof. Vadinath sat chisof. At 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock. So remember that chas will become chisa for 2, 3 and 4 and chisof for 5 to 12. Now coming to next, the construction u minya jest. U minya, stress is on ya. U minya jest means I have or I got. So u minya jest slavar. I have a dictionary. U tibia jest slavar. You have a dictionary. U nivo est slavar. He has a dictionary. See, for possessive pronoun, for own it is ivo, but when we use it with the preposition, we add an particle before that. So ivo becomes nivo. So u is a preposition. U means near or have. So u ivo becomes neo. We add an as a particle. So u nivo est slavar. U neo est slavar. She has a dictionary. U nas est slavar. We have a dictionary. U vas est slavar. You have a dictionary. U nik est slavar. They have a dictionary. So for all genders and numbers, it will become only same. Uminya est, utibia est, univo est, unio est, unas est, uvas est, unik est. I hope you understand. What is the est? Est is the invariable present tense form of verb beat. Beat means to be. So present tense form of beat is est, and est is for every gender and number. We can see for minya, tibia, nivo, neo, nas, vas, nik, we use only est. Example, uvas est brat. Question is that uvas est brat. Do you have a brother? Da. Uminya est brat. Yes, I have a brother. I hope you understand this construction. So you can form simple sentence. Uminya est kniga. Uminya est pero. I have a pen. Uminya est tetraji. I have a copybooks. I hope you understand. Sto uvas est. Sto uvas est. Uminya est notebook. What do you have? I have a laptop. Now coming to next, irregular verb of a conjugation. We have learned two types of a conjugation. Type 1 and type 2 we have already learned. Now this is irregular conjugation. This is also type a conjugation, but it is irregular. So you have to learn and remember this. So this verb is жить. Жить. Жить means to live. So for conjugation, я живу, я живу, я живу. Stress is on u. Ты живешь. Yo is always stress. Ты живешь. Он, она живет. Мы живем. Вы живете. Они живут. Stress is on u. Они живут. I live. Ты живешь. You live. Он, она живет. He, she lives. Мы живем. We live. Вы живете. You live. Они живут. They live. So for example, Nasha Simya живет наверху. Наверху. Наверху means on the top or upstairs. So Nasha Simya. Simya means family, and Nasha we have learned. Nasha means our. Simya is feminine gender, ending with ya. So we have used for that possessive pronoun Nash. Nash become Nasha. Our family lives upstairs. See, here our family is treated as a singular noun. Remember, our family is treated as a singular noun. Though there are many members in the family, but as a whole it is treated as singular noun. So all collective nouns, those are treated as a singular nouns. So Nasha Simya живет наверху. Our family lives upstairs. I hope you understand. So friends, that's all for today. Please share this video to maximum people so that everyone can be benefited. And if you like the effort, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye. Das vidanya.